The true scale of Hurricane Melissa on Jamaica's fishing industry is coming into focus, with thousands of vessels destroyed and millions of dollars reported in losses. Details in this report.
For now, business activities have been suspended for Oswald Seafood Restaurant in Alligator Pond, Manchester. When our news team visited recently, men were not serving up meals they're accustomed to. Instead, they were hard at work and trying to rebuild. Hurricane Melissa tore through the area, resulting in millions of dollars of losses for businesses.
I lost about $15 million worth of damage, and the time and everything.
A lot of structural damage.
Yeah, a lot of structure. So I'm building back the structure now, and I want to come fast as ever for the customers out there ready for Oswald Seafood.
Mr. Oswald Powell says the business has never faced such a major financial setback.
Melissa treat me rough first time. A lot of storm passed here, and Melissa is the worst one. Crashed me right up. But I'm building back, and I'm coming stronger.
Tell us about your loss. What did you lose?
I lost about $15 million worth of damage, and the time and everything.
Most of the damage is to the infrastructure. And while concerns are mounting about rebuilding so close to the sea, Mr. Powell says it's to meet his customers' demand.
It's that the customers want. They want to look in the sea and eat the fish or the lobster or anything.
In the meantime, Minister of Agriculture Floyd Green says over 3,280 vessels have been damaged or destroyed by the passage of Hurricane Melissa, the backbone of Jamaica's coastal economy. 45% of the nation's fleet of fishing vessels were also significantly destroyed. Total impact on the fisheries sector estimates at $5.7 billion. For many fisherfolk like Robert Gordon, this isn't just statistics, it's his entire livelihood wiped out.
And we tell him come here, and the eyeball go down Black River and that part of the world. And if any of the eyeball in come here, you want to say Alligator Pond did that tear down bad.
Deidre Thomas, TVJ News.